You will hear the changes. Yeah, I could not ask for anything more on this one. This is, I mean, it says it all right there. Yeah, that's horsepower, baby, right there. Man, that's gonna be all rusted out.
Yep, it's gonna be a journey.
Oh man. That is what we want. Making a contact at the center, not the whole full cut of the valve. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. You can hear the slight changes right there. That's what we want. Right there. As you can see, I got the head from the machine shop together with the block. Again, that is what we want. Contact at the center. It looks even. All right, so I got all the valves lapped, and it's finally be sitting on the new recut valve seats. Those are freshly cut also, the exhaust valves. I didn't have them do the fully reconditioning of the head. It's because I wanted to do it myself. I have lapped the intake valves previously, so everything is good there. So the only thing really left for me to do is just make sure that those exhaust valves will be seated on there correctly. And as you can see, yeah, the marks is right at the center. it's not entirely occupying the new freshly cut, so which is good. It cost me, I think, 120 to get them install the valve guides and brim it, and also recut the new seals, and also cut the valves. Anyway, this head is ready to go. And also I have decided to upgrade the valve springs. This is what I chose. I'm gonna stay single. It's because I'm not really thinking of using a different camshafts. Since I'm going turbo, I don't really need to put high lift cams. So I think this will be sufficient enough for me. Plus, like I said earlier, I'm not going on a power hungry mode. I'm gonna keep it still below the radar. 350 will be minimum, especially that the block is being shaved. So yeah, I think this will be sufficient enough. And also these are the seals that I'm gonna put on. Next will be installing the seats, and I'm going to remove those old seals. And I got the stem seal removed on the intake side. All right, next is the seals. This is the intake. Yeah, I just don't want to tear up the seal inside if I drive it on there without any lube. The brown is the intake. Put on like so. I'm just gonna use the number 10 12-point socket. Till I hear that solid sound. There. Putting some oil in it because I don't know how long I'm gonna store this cylinder head. Make sure it would not corrode. The springs are all the same, they're all painted blue, and I don't have to worry about the distance of the coil. The way it's wounded, it's not like OE. Alright, let me see if I could drive this in. Okay, one is in. Next. Oh, ho, 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 ho. Oh, okay. It's good. I thought it's not fully sitting on the coil. That didn't go too well. Let's try again. Hey, that's not bad. Yep. I'll go back on it later on. Okay. Let's turn this thing around. I have to keep the valves from not dropping down on me. Right, the keepers are inside. Put a spring. Put it on top of it. Now with this tool, and put my almighty on it. Okay, that's good. Next. Again, keepers inside, springs in. And put my almighty. All right. Last two. All right. It's pretty cool. Very handy tool. Once you get on the rhythm, it's just bam, bam, bam. I have to make sure all that keepers are all in there good. No second chances. All right. I think that is it. Make sure. Okay, all good. Final check. If I did a good job lapping the seats, I'm gonna pour some acetone on this. We'll give it a few minutes And to verify that, make sure nothing is leaking through here. This one is completely dry. So as this one, I got some oil in it. Good. Yeah, man, I could not see the other side, but we'll just judge it by the amount of fluid. This one could use a little more. Put on top. This one is good. So as this one. Alright, I don't have to worry about these two. And this one right here. Is it? No. That one is good. This is good. I know what. I'm gonna flip it around. Let's clean this one. Let's make sure that thing is dry. Yeah, nothing is leaking there on all the intake side, which is good. Okay. Ah, it looks good. Yeah. Let's try this. Huh. No bubbles. Same thing. It is good. Try here. No bubbles there. Nothing. None. Nothing. All right. Perfect seal, man. This is the second cylinder head that I have paid attention when doing lapping those valves. Yeah, I could not ask for anything more on this one. This is, I mean, it says it all right there. Yeah, that's horsepower, baby, right there. Oh, we'll see how it goes. All right, I'm pretty much like almost done on this cylinder head. The only thing I have to do is mate this to the block and up I go. Man, you can't really go wrong with that one, huh? Man, I'm really stoked about getting those valves all seated correctly on there. You have seen it, no air bubbles whatsoever. Right on. Hopefully this upgraded springs will help it out as far as like valve floats and everything. I'm gonna try to look for an 06 cams, and that's just about the upgrade I can do on this one. Yeah, I'm not going too crazy on this one. I'm gonna stay below the radar like I said. Well, make sure you like and subscribe and leave a comment, and I'll see you guys on the next. Bye everyone.